beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.
Children, you are the world's most valuable resources and the best hope for the future. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, climb every mountain, every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
I know being a student is not easy, but trust me, this is the most beautiful phase in one's life, and you should enjoy it to the fullest. Happy Children's Day to my wonderful students.
ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಪೈರು ಮೊಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 14 ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hard work and firm determination always leads to success. Happy Children's Day.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
A smile of yours can show heaven on earth. A twinkle of your eye can fill earth for angels. Happy Children's Day.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ದೇಶದ ಒಕ್ಕಲಾಗಲು ಪಣತೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Dear students, we love you all from heart. You are the light of darkness, glimpse of future, and you are the pride. We would like to tell you that if you have strong desire, force, belief, hard work, perseverance, all this will lead to success. Be optimistic and let your positivity inspire you all. Happy Children's Day to you all. So beautiful are the stars at night. We feel the same when we get your sight. Happy Children's Day. Happy, happy, happy Children's Day to you. You are the prince and princess who rule our hearts and are the one who brings joy. Wishing a very happy Children's Day to our beloved students.
There are no words to describe how special you are. To all the SCI students, I wish a very happy Children's Day. Always work hard to achieve your goals. There is nothing impossible to you in your life. Thank you.
Children are the best creation of God. They spread joy in every season. To me, you are the most precious of blessings, and I cherish every moment that I spend with you. Happy Children's Day.
Children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day.
Every child comes with the message that God is not yet discouraged of man. Every child born to this world is a new thought of God, an ever fresh and radiant possibility. Children are like flowers. All flowers are not same. They differ in color, size, shape, and their fragrance. In the same manner, all children are also not the same. They are not the same. They are different in uniqueness and their capability and their capacities. So we should identify and our children and take them as closer as possible and allow them to spread their knowledge and their capabilities. Children, I would like to give you a message for this occasion of Children's Day. When it comes to your studies, think that there is no tomorrow in front of you. Think that there is no tomorrow in front of you. Never keep off your studies for tomorrow, so that in your studies you will be successful and everything will be possible with you today itself. Thank you, children.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇಶವೆಂಬ ಭವ್ಯ ಸೌಧದ ಬುನಾದಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಮುಖೇನ ಈ ಬುನಾದಿಯನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hello children. The earth reveals its innocence to the smiles of children. A very warm wishes to all our beloved children at SEI. On this special day, on behalf of management and staff, Happy Children's Day to you all. Childhood is the most beautiful of all life's season. Do enjoy your childhood to the best extent possible. Children are the world's most valuable resources, and they are the best hope for the future. We do learn many things from you, to be happy always and to be busy with something. Childhood is an enchanting vista, an endless fun, a joyful classroom, an experience, an era of imagination, an artistic journey, an ode to love, and a happy moment. In your shining faces, we see hope. We see brighter tomorrow. We see the promises of what you all achieve. Make us proud. Make your parents, your teachers, your school, and nation proud about you. We all are waiting to see you all make your benchmark future. My heartfelt love to all of you, and once again, Happy Children's Day to you all. Thank you all.